In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your TradingView charts to a dark theme, making your experience more comfortable, especially if you're burning the midnight oil. This change not only gives your charts a sleek, modern look, but also helps reduce eye strain during extended periods of analysis. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open TradingView. You can do this by accessing the web version in your browser or using the desktop application, whichever you prefer. Once you have TradingView open, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll find the sign-up process straightforward and quick. After logging in, navigate to any chart you want to view. TradingView offers a wide range of charts to explore, whether you're interested in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. Each of these will allow you to apply the dark theme we're about to set up. Next, to access the customization settings, look towards the top right corner of the chart area for a gear icon. It's that familiar settings icon we're all used to. Click on it, and a window will pop up offering a variety of options to personalize your chart. In this new window, you'll see several different tabs that provide different customization options. What we need is the Appearance tab. Clicking on it will take us to the section where you can modify how your charts look in general. Now let's change your theme. In the Appearance tab, find the Color theme, or simply Theme option. This is the part where you can transform your viewing experience. Click on the drop-down menu right next to this option, and you should see different color themes. Select the dark or black theme from the options available. These themes are designed to make things easier on your eyes, particularly in low light conditions, or if you're someone who prefers a darker interface. Once you've made your selection, all that's left to do is confirm the change. Look for the OK or Apply button and give it a click to ensure your new settings are saved. And just like that, you'll be greeted with a dark, stylish chart background. Not only will this be more pleasant to look at, especially at night, but it also creates a contrast that can really make your data visuals pop. So, enjoy your charts in dark mode, and remember, a bit of customization can go a long way in improving your overall trading and analysis experience. If you have any other questions or want to explore more features, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.